Hey, great day to you. So, is Helium 10 Freedom Ticket free? No, Helium 10 Freedom Ticket is a course by the software company called Helium 10, and it shows you how to sell on Amazon and how to sell on Walmart from A to Z. How much does it cost? Is it free? Usually it costs $997. However, you can get it for free if you invest in any of the paid plans of Helium 10, such as Starter, Platinum, or Diamond. In the description of the video, I'm going to have the best discounts for you that are going to help you save money on all those plans. And also, I'm going to have a free account and free trial of Helium 10 down in the description of the video as well, so you can try the basics of the Helium 10 software. Plus, I'm going to have a link for you to the landing page that you're seeing right now on the screen, the landing page of the Freedom Ticket itself. I really recommend you checking it out because you are going to understand exactly what's included in the course. But let's go through it. First, we're going to see Kevin King here, who is the original creator of the Freedom Ticket course. By the way, about 5 years ago, I did a review of Freedom Ticket. I'm going to leave the video for you down in the description, my original review of Freedom Ticket. I hope you enjoy it. Of course, the course was since upgraded and whatnot, but I still recommend you checking out my review. It's a bit more in depth. I go through the modules there, but we can also go through them right now. So let's go through them. First one, we're going to have the module number 01 by Kevin King himself, Amazon seller, and he's quite a known mentor in the space. Introduction to Amazon selling. Module number 2 is going to be business setup and branding by Reach Goldstein. Module number 3, product research and sourcing by Steve Simonson. Module number 4 is going to be financial fundamentals. Let's let Helium 10 load this page, and we're going to see who's actually going to be our mentor for this part. Let's do it like this, and it's going to be Arnold Shields for the 4th module. Module number 5 is going to be listing optimization and SEO. I'm not sure why it's not loading, but let's try like this. Yes, of course, it's going to be Saddam and Tayyaba Hassan for listing optimization and SEO. Module number 6, it's funny, it's not loading sometimes, but advertising and launch strategies by Destiny with Sean. And then module number 7 is going to be supply chain and logistics by Kian Golzari. Module number 8, I hope it's going to be loading better for you, compliance and risk management by Afalabi Oyurakun. And module number 9 or 09 is going to be continuous learning and adaptation by Josh Hadley. Of course, check out the link in the description. Sometimes I think it's my internet though, but anyway, that's the modules that you're going to have. Of course, you can kind of view the videos and see more kind of content by the guys that run those modules. Also, you're going to see some reviews by other students of Freedom Ticket. Also, you're going to see your mentors here. Some of the mentors were kind of mentioned above, but not only, there are more other people as you can see here. We did see Destiny, but we didn't see, for example, Leo or Gracie, Burak as well, and Chris we didn't see, Tomer Rabinovich was not up there. So you have a lot of good mentors from the space, from the community of Amazon sellers. Maybe you've seen some of those guys before, maybe not. So check them out. The link is in the description to Freedom Ticket. FAQ, if you want to learn more about kind of frequently asked questions. Over 200,000 people have joined Freedom Ticket and counting. So I remind you about the best discounts for all the paid plans of Helium 10 in the description. You can get free access to Freedom Ticket if you invest in any of the paid plans. If you click on the link down in the description for the discounts, you're going to get to this page. Through this page, you can go create a free account and trial of Helium 10. Also, the discounts are here. Let me show you how you can also apply them. For example, in the pricing page, as we see here, also the link to the pricing page is in the description. You're going to see all the parts Helium 10 software can give you, like different tools, let's say. And if you scroll down to the learning part, you're going to have Freedom Tickets. As you can see, it's included in all the plans. So if you use, here's a cool trick though. For example, if you use this code, Vova6M20, this code is going to give you 20% off for 6 months for Platinum and Diamond. It doesn't work with a starter plan. However, the other code, Vova10, is going to work with a starter as well. So say you're a beginner and you're only looking to kind of try and go through an Amazon FBA course. For as low as $36, you can get an A to Z course for how to sell on Amazon and Walmart. And mostly it's kind of for Amazon sellers, but also there's part for Walmart sellers. And look, $36, I believe, is quite a good price because some courses are more expensive. Freedom Ticket itself, if you just buy it as a separate course, it's $997. But here you can get it for pretty affordable price, in my opinion. Of course, in order to get the most out of Helium 10, it's the Diamond plan. But for many sellers, the middle plan, Platinum, for $90 a month is going to be good. And by the way, it's a recurring discount forever. As you can see, 10% off forever. So in the description, you're going to have a link to get those discounts, to get to the pricing page as well. It's an affiliate link, means that if you ever do business with Helium 10 and you invest in their plans, I'm going to get a little commission from that at no extra cost to you. But in this way, it's possible to support my free content, which I truly appreciate. I have created for you over 1,000 videos here on YouTube. And I would say I have other channels as well, like in the Russian language and a little bit in Ukrainian. We have a channel in Hebrew. We have a channel in Hindi. I don't speak Hindi. We use AI, to be honest, but I do speak, I speak Russian and Hebrew, but I don't speak Ukrainian much, but we did some translations. I'm really passionate about selling on Amazon, but also I'm passionate about creating content and sharing. So hopefully you'll get some benefits from my content. I appreciate if you take some time to enjoy it. Yeah, Freedom Ticket landing page is in the description for you. Check out exactly what's included. The discounts page, the pricing page as well is there. You can see what other things Helium 10 has to offer for you. I also have for you a tutorials playlist in the description with over 200 Helium 10 tutorials. So hopefully this is going to set you up for a good beginning. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Also on the screen here, I'm going to have that Freedom Ticket review that I have mentioned beforehand that I did a few years ago. Check it out. It's my honest review of the course. So also I'm going to have the little square appearing on the screen where you can get the free trial and discounts of Helium 10. Thank you a lot for watching. I'm wishing you a great life. Let's go.